Question number 3 in identity property. Find the identity element in set of rational numbers when a star b is defined as a b divided by 4. Solution for this problem. What is the given information? Given that a star b equal to ab divided by 4. You observe here a star b. A is first element, b is second element. A star b is ab by 4. Now I'll calculate a star e. What is a star e? It is easy to say. What is a star e? A into e divided by 4. Now you calculate e star a. Tell what is e star a? Yes? Yes. EA divided by 4. Observe that A star E is same as E star A. A star E is same as E star A. Just think. Yes, AE is same as EA. So we can easily say that A star E is equals to E star A. See, whenever you are finding identity element, first you confirm that A star E is same as E star A. Once you confirm that A star E is same as E star A, you take either A star E equals to A or E star A equals to A. I taken A star E equals to A. What is A star E? Is AE by 4. AE divided by 4 equal to A. If you observe here, AA will get cancelled and you will get E is equals to 4. Identity element we got it as 4. Is 4 is a rational number? Check it. Yes, 4 is a rational number. So what you got, if you take any for any A in Q, for any A belongs to Q, there exists 4. What is 4? 4 is a rational number. For any A belongs to Q, there exists 4 belongs to Q such that A star 4, you can check, calculate A star 4, you will get A only. A star 4 equals to 4 star A equal to A. Therefore, what you can conclude here? 4 is the element which is a rational number and satisfying identity law. Therefore, 4 is the identity element in Q when A star B equals to AB divided by 4. Inverse of an element. Very important definition. Let star is a binary operation on set A and E is identity element in set A with respect to binary operation star. We need to observe few things here. What is star? Star is a binary operation on set A. You must know the definition of binary operation. And E is identity element in set A. You must know these two definitions to understand inverse of an element. Now, to find inverse of an element A, for any A in set A, there exists B, an element B in same set A. For any A belongs to set A, there exists B belongs to set A such that A star B is equals to B star A equal to E. What is E? E is identity element. Then B is called inverse of an element A with respect to binary operation star. To find inverse of an element A, there exists element B in set A such that A star B equal to B star A equal to E. What is E? E is identity element. You must know the definition of identity element. If this condition is satisfies, then B is called inverse of an element A. B is called inverse of an element A, which is denoted by, you try to understand this. B is what? Inverse of A. B is what? Inverse of A. So that's why it is denoted like this. B equals to A inverse. Observe this condition. In this condition, replace B with A inverse. Replace B with A inverse. Then what you will get? A star A inverse equals to A inverse star A equals to E. Now we will try to understand this with an example. Note: inverse of an element exists only when identity element exists. If identity element doesn't exist, then inverse never exists. To find inverse of an element A, there exists an element B in set A which is satisfying the condition A star B equals to B star A equals to E. Then B is called inverse of A, which is denoted by A inverse equals to B. I just revised quickly the definition of inverse of an element. Try to understand this with an example. Multiplication is a binary operation on set of real numbers. Is it true? We'll check. You take any two real numbers. Multiplication of two real numbers is again a real number. Multiplication of two real numbers is again a real number. Yes. So multiplication is a binary operation on set of real numbers. One is identity element in R with respect to binary operation multiplication. We'll check this. This is the condition for identity element. You take A in R, there exists 1 in R such that A into 1 is equals to 1 into A equals to A. A into 1 equals to 1 into A equals to A. So 1 is the identity element. Now we will find the inverse of an element 2. Inverse of an element 2. You take 2. To find the inverse of 2, there exists 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a real number. 2 into 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2 into 2 equals to identity element. What is identity element? Identity element is 1. 2 into 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2 into 2 equals to 1. So 2 inverse equals to 1 by 2. Similarly, what is 3 inverse? 3 inverse is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is a real number. 3 into 1 by 3 equals to 1 by 3 into 3 equals to identity element 1. Same way we can say that 10 inverse equals to 1 by 10. Now what is 0 inverse? 0 inverse is 1 by 0. What is 1 by 0? 1 by 0 is not real number, it is not defined. So inverse of 0 does not exist with respect to binary operation multiplication in R. One more example. Addition is a binary operation on set of natural numbers. We'll check. A comma B are any two natural numbers. Addition of two natural numbers always again a natural number. So addition is a binary operation on set of natural numbers. I am checking identity element exists in this or not. A plus 0 equals to 0 plus A equals to A. But 0 is not a natural number. That means identity element does not exist. Identity element does not exist in N with respect to binary operation addition. If identity element doesn't exist, then inverse never exists. Inverse of any element in N does not exist with respect to binary operation addition.